Hello, everybody. Thank you for the introduction. So I don't have to spend 10 more seconds introducing. My presentation is very simple. If you teach at a community college or at a Hispanic-Serving institution, I'm sure you know that our students have a lot to say, but sometimes they struggle writing. So I decided to subvert a little bit the process. And in a writing intensive course, of course, there's a philosophical question if the new media should shape the new approach to writing. I said maybe. So I decided to introduce podcasting in my writing intensive course by making the final project a podcast and by introducing a microphone in the classroom. So I was kind of repackaging the participation and I was giving them a few minutes to prepare a little speech about whatever topic that we were discussing in the classroom. And wow, suddenly they were participating in a much more intentional way. They were really getting better in the way they were participating. They were like the silence when we were recording was kind of amazing. And they were into it. Okay. They wanted to do more. I was telling them to do 3 minutes. They were doing 5, like for the very first time. So it was a different way for them of engaging in the classroom. And at the same time, when they are editing what they recorded, they have to review, coexist, sometimes transcribe what they were saying. And that gives them a lot of confidence. And that makes them cohabit with the content, let's say, again and again and again, because it's a repetitive process. So you are reviewing while editing the content. And that was great news overall. So in times of AI, of course, this makes them be themselves more than before, I would say. And they do material that they create material they feel proud of. So they share with other students. And I made a mistake and I said protable instead of portable, but it's good that prota is there because they feel protagonists of the class. We struggle sometimes making the class student-centered, and this is kind of a very efficient way. I was trying not to use the word narcissism, and because our students sometimes they are a little bit narcissistic, but using the word protagonist, okay, by the way they feel protagonist, they are channeling, I would say, in a very positive way, their narcissism, which is amazing. Okay, so I am very happy with this experiment, and I will tell you to try. For the first presenter that was looking for a way of engaging students, this is a good way. Thank you, everybody.